In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build an invoice template in Notion using a ready-made template. This makes it easy to create professional invoices for clients and reuse them whenever you need. Let's get started. Open Notion and click Templates in the sidebar. Search for Invoice or Invoice Tracker, then choose a template that fits your needs and click Use this template. Once the template is added to your workspace, replace the sample information with your own business details. Add your company name, client information, invoice number, issue date, due date, and payment terms. Update the items or services you've provided along with their quantities, rates, and totals. If needed, add notes, payment instructions, or your business logo to personalize the invoice. When you are finished, duplicate the template whenever you need to create a new invoice. Simply update the client details and line items for each project to save time and keep your invoices consistent. That's how to build an invoice template in Notion. Thanks for watching.